They hurt so much. Look at these big teeth. Want to see them die. They're hurt to me. I haven't felt my teeth in years. Money on them, and I told Chandler that I wear them all the time. I can't give them away. Well, then get your money back and return them. Can't do that either. The soles are a little stuffed up, and the insides are filled with my blood.
I just picked up Ben from school.
Oh.
It turns out I'm not going to get those tickets, though.
Oh, no, why not?
Well, it turns out Ben and Sting's son do not get along.
How come?
Apparently, Sting's son made fun of the fact that Ben's moms are lesbians.
If they don't get along, then you should smooth things over. Make them be friends.
Baby, you can't force kids to be friends.
Sure you can. Give them some blocks. Put them in a playpen.
Playpen?
This kid is 7? Please give the ticket.
But I'm sorry, kids. I just can't do it.
Yes, you can. Sting says so himself.
What? I'm sorry. Baby,